This video is to give an overview of my 1981 DeLorean, in which I have swapped in a 5.7 liter LS1 V8 engine. This particular car I've had for about 10 years now, and in those last 10 years I restored the car fully with the original 2.8 liter V6, and then as part of my senior design project at the University of Cincinnati, I replaced the original V6 engine with this Chevrolet LS1 V8 engine. So this is the car as a whole. You can see I have made a couple upgrades. I do have chrome rims on it. This is a Momo style steering wheel. So if you look at the dash, all of the original gauges are now hooked up. The tachometer, the voltmeter, temperature, oil pressure, everything works properly as it should. There's a Dakota digital tach converter in the electrical compartment that converts the original, the LS1 tach signal to the DeLorean dash. As you can see here, it's a pretty tight fit in the engine bay. Ordinarily, the intake would be flipped around this way and the throttle body would go on the end of the intake. However, because it's so tight, the throttle body does not fit on the end of the intake. This throttle body riser had to be handmade in order to raise the throttle body up and direct air in. That's something I hand welded out of 3-inch piping. This intake system has an air filter in each one of the pontoons here that draws cool air in from the sides. An upgrade I'd like to do in the future is to add side scoops here that actually help draw more air in. The exhaust on the car is pretty simple. Those are high flow Jegs mufflers that are just barely a step up from open headers, but the car has headers and it comes directly off the side of the block, goes right into the pipe and right out the back end. So when you get on the engine, or when you get on the throttle, it cracks pretty hard. Another one of the upgrades I made was this fuel system. You'll see the original DeLorean fuel system used a high flow or a high pressure fuel pump with steel lines running down the frame. There was an accumulator. Anyway, all that was deleted, and these two stainless braided lines run from the fuel pump to this fuel pressure regulator and filter right into the fuel rail there. So it's a much better system, I believe. So anyway, that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or send me a message through this car's blog, ls1delorean.blogspot.com. And thanks for watching.